HVAC is a good place to start because it's one of the first industries forced to make long-term decisions under uncertainty. But that's not because it's struggling for work. Instead, it's being forced to plan further ahead with less clarity than many of the other trades. Heading into 2026, HVAC businesses are operating in a market where demand remains strong, but decision-making has become more complicated. It impacts inventory strategy, equipment mix, pricing, and how far ahead businesses feel comfortable planning. For many HVAC owners, the challenge isn't just how to adapt to new rules. Customers are looking for healthier, more comfortable environments, and they expect their HVAC professionals to help them navigate those tough decisions. All of this adds weight to the sales process and the service experience. When you look at these factors together, a clear pattern starts to take shape. HVAC businesses aren't under pressure because the market disappeared. They're under pressure because the margin for error has narrowed. Uncertainty is higher and expectations are clearer, and the cost of missteps, whether in inventory, staffing, or customer experience, is way harder to absorb. The HVAC businesses that feel most stable going into 2026 aren't trying to predict every change. They're building flexibility into how they operate. They're tightening processes, and they're reducing reliance on last-minute decisions. That's an important signal because it shows how an industry responds to uncertainty when it becomes the norm. And that shrinking margin of error is a pattern you're going to see as we talk through plumbing and electrical. So next we'll look at plumbing, an industry that appears more stable on the surface, but is facing many of the same pressures around efficiency, customer expectations, and operational discipline, just expressed in different ways.